Welcome back to Doomsday Prepper. Today we're diving into an important topic that affects many of us: senior survival safety. Whether you're an elder yourself or looking out for your loved ones, this video is packed with essential tips and tricks to ensure our seniors can thrive in challenging times. Let's get started. First things first, every senior needs a well-stocked survival kit tailored to their specific needs. Think about what you or your loved ones use daily. Essential medications are a must-have, with at least a month's supply on hand. It's not just about having them, but also knowing how to store them properly to ensure they remain effective. Don't forget the medical equipment like hearing aids, glasses, or walkers. Backup batteries for hearing aids can be crucial. Also have copies of important documents like medical records, identification, and emergency contact information in a waterproof container. Nutrition is critical for seniors. Focus on foods that are easy to prepare and packed with nutrients. Canned fruits and vegetables, beans, and ready-to-eat meals are perfect staples. Look for low-sodium options to maintain heart health. High-energy snacks like nuts and granola bars can keep you going when times are tough. Always keep dietary restrictions in mind when stocking up. For example, if you're diabetic, choose sugar-free options. Preparing some meals ahead of time and freezing them can also be a great way to ensure there's always something nutritious available. Growing your own food can be both rewarding and practical. Raised garden beds and container gardening are fantastic options for seniors because they're easier on the back and knees. Start with simple vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and lettuce, which are relatively easy to maintain. Herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary not only add flavor but have medicinal properties too. Gardening can also be a therapeutic activity, reducing stress and promoting physical activity. Make sure to use ergonomic gardening tools to reduce strain on the joints. Communication is key during emergencies. Make sure seniors have a reliable way to call for help. This could be a basic cell phone with a long battery life, or even a satellite phone in more remote areas. It's crucial that they know how to use these devices effectively. Programs like the AARP's cell phone tutorials can be extremely helpful. Consider setting up speed dial contacts for immediate family members and emergency services. Additionally, walkie-talkies can be useful for short-range communication, especially if cell service is unreliable. Now let's discuss some invaluable government resources available for seniors. The Social Security Administration provides financial support and can offer guidance during emergencies. Their website and helpline can be a great source of information. Medicare and Medicaid can help cover medical costs, including emergency services. Make sure to familiarize yourself with what your plan covers. The Elder Care Locator, a public service of the U.S. Administration on Aging, connects you to local services for older adults and their families. Just call 1-800-677-1116 or visit eldercare.hcl.gov. FEMA offers guidance and assistance during disasters, with specific resources tailored for seniors. It's a good idea to keep a list of these resources and contacts handy. Basic survival skills are a must. Teach seniors how to start a fire safely using fire starters and waterproof matches. Purifying water is essential. Demonstrate how to use water purification tablets or portable water filters. Building a basic shelter can be life-saving in an emergency situation. Simple structures using tarps and rope can provide protection from the elements. Understanding how to signal for help, whether through whistles or mirrors, is also crucial. Safety at home is just as important. Ensure their living space is secure with grab bars in the bathroom and by stairs, non-slip mats to prevent falls, and proper lighting throughout the house, especially in hallways and staircases. Consider installing a home security system with emergency response capabilities. A well-organized home, free of clutter, can prevent falls and other accidents. Emergency exit plans should be practiced regularly. Let's not forget about health. Regular checkups are crucial, and knowing basic first aid can be a real lifesaver. Skills like CPR and wound care are especially important. Many local community centers offer first aid and CPR courses specifically for seniors. Keeping a well-stocked first aid kit with items like bandages, antiseptics, and over-the-counter medications is essential. Also include any specific medical items that might be needed, such as an epinephrine pen for allergies. To recap, we've covered tailored survival kits, nutritious and easy-to-prepare foods, home gardening, reliable communication, utilizing government resources, basic survival skills, home safety improvements, and health and first aid knowledge. By following these guidelines, we can help ensure that our seniors are well prepared for any situation. Remember, preparation is not just about survival, it's about maintaining a good quality of life, even in challenging circumstances. Thanks for watching Doomsday Prepper. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with your community. Stay safe and remember, preparation is key to survival.